everybody, what's up? It's Jody Page, and I'm wearing my YouTube hat. Next year it'll change. This is my YouTube hat right now, and my intro is "What's up? What's up? What's up, subscribers? Or what's up? So today I'm gonna be playing with Kyle's RC car. You can see him with the shirt off, playing Minecraft. I don't know if they can even see you. Oh yeah, you can kind of. Yeah, spiders are pain. Okay, so I'm gonna play with them. Stay tuned. Okay, here we go. You see it? Ow! Ouch! My sensitivity is high. Yeah, baby! 360 for days! That's too fast! Did you see how fast I did that? Here, you need to see it. Come on, how to do it. Did you see that, guys? That was like 360s for years. Go back. Oh yeah, Kyle, look at this. Oh my god. No, not me. No, go to the camera. Go, you stupid thing. I bet you guys can do that. That's pretty loud. Okay, here we go. Not me. Just let it go, okay? Why can Elsa not hold a balloon?
I think I got flipped.
Hey.
Yes, I got flipped.
Hey, subscribers. I'm gonna ask you, why can't Elsa hold a balloon? Kyle, why can't Elsa hold a balloon?
Well, I'm not supposed to know this question.
Because she let it go. She let it go. I don't really like that movie, but Kyle, you were just singing it, and how could you not know it? If this thing would just... I don't really know how to control it much, but... Not at me! 360 for days!
This line is completely empty.
Not to my subscribers! Not to my people! Get off! Get off! No, I'm so sorry.
Spider! Scary!
Oh! I know how to do it. There's a button right here. I didn't know that. Oh my gosh. Let's have some fun, baby.
I'm just trying to get out of here. So my plan is to get straight up. gotta be careful though.
He's coming for you. Ouch! That scare you? I said he's coming for you. No.
Honestly, I'm scared right now.
This is making so much ruckus. He's coming for you. Wait, no, he's not. Now he is. No, he's not. Now he is. This is so fun. Oh my gosh. Ow.
No! I'm gonna die!
Oh, you are gonna die.
One heart left.
Kyle's on his Minecraft and he's got all this armor on and he don't know where he is.
Yeah, I do.
Well,
I
technically,
found my way out.
I don't care.
I
Ow!
have one heart left. Literally, I have one heart left.
I know. I don't know. All of a sudden, he hates Minecraft, and now he's loving it.
Ooh, there I am. There's my house.
Hey,
You have to be very careful. There's a zombie out there in the middle of it.
he's coming for you. Dang it! Gotcha! 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 Oh, my calf. You want some? You guys laughing, huh? Well, I'm sending in. Oh, yeah. Take that to your face. Wait, I can do anything. See how fast these things go? Whoa!
Redstone.
You don't need redstone no more. Sorry about that.
I got an egg, dude.
Here, let me show you some eggs.
No, I don't. Hey, wait, dude. No, you didn't get a chicken. Sorry. What did you do to my egg? I broke it.
Why? You hold it and you throw it in like a chicken.
Maybe chicken. If I do, I'd have to build a pen and then do that. Stupid.
I'm not stupid. I'm not stupid, people. I'm not stupid. I'm not stupid.
Comment.
Comment
Yes or no. He's stupid.
I don't
Yeah,
know.
I think there'll be a lot of yeses.
It's
You'll
just,
just get away if you throw the egg, dude.
well, still. So all the videos Kyle's made practically are from old videos, so he's uploading all of them. Part of them are handmade, but all mine are handmade, and that's so hard. But all the other people make them handmade, and well, like I'm making mine handmade, and some of them Kyle had in the when he was little, and I can't do it.
Oh no.
So we're gonna do some gaming in a little bit. So let me drive this RC car straight to my face, and we'll be back. Okay, straight to my face. You guys probably can't see, but okay, it's heading straight for my face. Ah! Oh. Ah! That hurt. You laughing? Oh, you even already. this is a goodbye to you guys.
Show subscribers, Jody.
What? What?
There's all your subscribers.
Do I have to? Please, please, please. I barely have any subscribers. So if you would please, please help me. Kyle has way more because he uploaded them when he was little. Do you agree with me? I'm not.
I had about 12 subscribers around this time that you, about this much time in I started.
No. Well, guys, we're gonna, I guess. Who's better at Call of Duty in the next video? Who do you think will be better at Call of Duty if you're watching this and you haven't watched Call of Duty? Kyle might kick my butt. I might kick his butt. Who knows? So, see you guys in the next video. I have to say goodbye to you peeps. Okay. Just your normal down the road. And oh, what is this? A giant monster truck on this road. Get off my road!